Today let's prepare Seeraga Samba Chicken Biriyani. Take whole garam masala and blend in a mixer. Add 5 green chili and blend to a coarse paste. In a cooking pot add some oil and add in cinnamon stick and bay leaf. Then add 2 big onion and sauté till golden brown. Add mint and coriander leaves and sauté it. Add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and sauté until raw smell vanishes. Now add 2 small tomato and sauté until it mashes. Now add the masala we blended with green chili and sauté it. Add 1 teaspoon chili powder and mix well. Now add yogurt and mix well. It's time to add 400 grams of chicken and salt to the chicken. Add very little water for the chicken to cook. Once the chicken is well cooked, add 3 cups hot water and salt. Now we are going to add soaked and drained rice to it. Once rice starts boiling and starts absorbing water, place it in dum. Place a tawa on the stove and keep the biryani pot on it and dum cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the lid and add ghee and serve hot with raita and boiled egg. Yummy tasty Seeraga Samba Biryani is ready. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.